Coming up in October on Justhands-on.tv. This month sees us visit a really interesting exhibition by East Anglian Stitch Textiles, or EAST, called Between the Lines. Here each textile artist has reflected on the events of World War I and created a piece of textile work. The resulting exhibition is varied, thought-provoking and commemorative. As the nights begin to draw in, we kick off this month by meeting two brand new contributors, two Helens, Helen Butcher and Helen Howes, who are both members of the modern quilt section of the Quilters Guild. They talk about their inspiration and patchwork experience and remember fondly their friend and colleague Kate Percival. Later in the month, Helen Butcher shares with us a delightful workshop featuring some very modern cats. Our Throwback Thursday for October is a super tip from Valerie on how to sew an accurate 1/4 inch seam. It's not what you sew that's important, it's what you achieve. And this is important if you are taking part in enjoying the first sampler quilt series that was started in September. The two blocks for this month are the basic 9 patch and some variations, which uses squares, and the Friendship Star block, which is also based on the 9 patch grid but uses the half square triangle unit. Also this month, Valerie brings us a brand new workshop using a jelly roll and colour to create this visually woven quilt, inspired by Carolyn Forster's woven workshop that we already have on the site. And she shows us how to create the blocks and sashing required for Lynn Goldworthy's quilt called Dreams, which is foundation pieced and uses fabric from Macawa. And finally in October, Valerie shares a very useful video tip on how to use flat-headed pins with paper templates and your rotary ruler and stay safe. New videos are released on Justhands-on.tv every Friday. Become a paid subscriber to enjoy unlimited access to all our online classes by Britain's finest tutors to help you with your projects from as little as £7 a month.